I'm demonstrating today the Electrolux 1453 canister vac. It's got a blower on it. Look at that. It's blowing. But most people use it, which is great. You might want to use it as a garage vacuum. But it's also used, of course, as a vacuum, and it's got good suction on it. You can use it right this way. Close up the blower part, attach it to the power nozzle, and use it as a floor vac. I'll demonstrate that. I have a little bit of sand, debris, grass, and such, carpet, floor. I'll demonstrate. It does work just fine. Turn it on. Around. My grandmother had one of these her whole life, and the canister vac just kind of moves along with you and back of you wherever you go. So it's a great vacuum. You can see it's in very good shape. The cord winds up around here. Easy to carry. Pretty good clean vacuum. The bag is right in here. Back compartment comes with a couple bags, so excellent shape. Thank you.